Hey guys, today we are finally onto our last video for the little Plouise palettes that we've been doing. This one is called Sparkle Spells and this is our blue palette, but I tell you what, there's quite a bit of purple in this, some more purpley tones in this one. So I feel like this is going to be a really fun palette, so just going to get into it. But yeah, I'm really excited. This palette looks stunning, so I'm just going to prime my eyeballs, not my eyeballs, my eyelids. Yeah, I don't know what to go for today. It's like we can either do like a kind of really light blue look or we could go do like a deep blue. Okay, so lids are primed. Okay. Yeah, so we have some really stunning shades. I think I'm going to do what I did last time, if you guys watched my last video, but this time I'm only going to do two colours, and I'm going to do these two. Do you reckon they'll blend into each other? Do you reckon? Or is that like, I don't know, let's just try it out. I don't know if this is going to be a vibe or not. Or should I do those two? Actually, I feel like they'll work better, these two, instead of like the light blue. Yeah, maybe I'll do that shade instead. I had the perfect brush, but I got that other shade on it, so now I need a new brush. So the first shade we're going to take is called Periwinkle. I'm going to start by putting that in the inner corner. I'll bring that about halfway over. This is a real nice blue shade. It's kind of something a little bit different, like I don't have a lot of blue shades that are like this, yeah, like periwinkle tone. So I'm going to bring it to about there and then I'm going to start blending. So I'll take like a bit of a fluffier brush. And then I can come back in and like re-intensify it if I need. I really think that I want to do some more like creative looks soon, but just finding the time. Currently obviously I'm uploading to YouTube every day, so like I kind of can't, like if I'm doing any kind of makeup at the moment, like I can't really afford for it not to be like a YouTube video, so it's just hard. I feel like this needs to come down a bit, or is that like, now that's way too much. Okay. I can't wait till the day that like I have my dream setup. Like obviously I'm grateful for the setup I have at the moment, and for like, you know, the fact that I'm even able to film YouTube videos and everything of the sort. But it'll be so nice when like I have a big spacious studio where I can, you know, kind of just have what I've always wanted, I guess. It sounds really spoiled. I didn't mean for it to sound like that. Now we're going to take the shade called Lavender Storm. Really hoping this turns out. Something's telling me this one might not be that nice. We'll have to wait and see. We are going to trust the process. This shade's a bit patchy, to be honest. Why? There's certain parts on the eye where it just is refusing to stick. I don't know why. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it's a pretty patchy shade. Oh, I feel like purples and blues are always like the patchy shades. They're always the ones that kind of, you know, have that bit more trouble, I guess. And this is obviously a very pigmented shade. I don't know if this is going to be a vibe. So far I'm not really feeling it. Might be able to make it work. We're just going to have to wait and see. I feel like I like it more over this side, but maybe we're going to have to do like a full cut crease today. Alright, let's go back into the fair shade. Periwinkle. It's not really a vibe. It's not really for me right now, but okay, I'm going to do the crease and see if we can save this. Okay, I've cut the crease and I don't hate it as much, so I'm hoping a bit of shimmer and a bit of liner and a bit of lashes could save this, hopefully. Now there are some absolutely stunning shimmers in here. I love this one. And this one here also looks really pretty. Then we have this kind of like purpley shade, which is stunning. It's like this beautiful like duochrome purple blue shade. Love that. But today I want to keep it a little bit light. So it's between these two here. Why did I swatch it like that? So there's that one. Or that one. Oh, they're both so stunning. I think I'm going to take this one. This. Which is the lighter shade, and it's called Fly High, and it might be one of the prettiest shimmers that I've ever seen. So I'm just going to put that on, and it feels so creamy already. Oh my god, there is so much shimmer in my eye right now. Yeah, this shimmer is real pretty. I feel like it's not grabbing in certain parts. I feel like I'm not really using the best brush for it, to be honest. This brush is like just a little bit too fluffy. That is such a beautiful shade. Is it not enough though? Like, I don't know if it needs to be a little bit darker. I'm going to put the shimmer mist over the top. Just like pat some of that over the top of it, just to kind of like darken it just a little bit. And the shimmer mist was the other blue one that we swatched. Stunning! I feel like it looks a bit like crusty or something. Cool. And then I reckon I'll also do liner as well when we get to it. I feel like a nice little black liner will tie this all together. I love Plouise shimmers. They are stunning! I still don't think this is my favourite look, but let's not judge it until the very end, because when I was in our last video of these ones, the green palette, I was like, oh, this looks not good, till we got to the very end, and then I was like, yeah, I love it. So we might love this one by the end. It's definitely an improvement. Like, I was real worried before we cut the crease. I was like, oh no. So it's already looking better than that. Anyway, I'm just tapping this. I'm doing the same as what I did over the other side, obviously. Putting Fly High and then the shimmer mist over the top. I feel like it just gives it a bit more, like, just makes it that tiny little bit deeper. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do liner, lashes, rest of the face, and then I'll be back. I'll show you the finished look. Okay, this is the finished look, and I actually kind of like it. I've done it again. I think it's cute. Like, it's still not my favorite, but it's definitely a lot better than what it was. And I like it more than I did originally. So yeah, that was the Plouise Sparkle Spells palette. I actually think this one's really nice. I feel like it's a little bit different to the others in the way of, like, it kind of has obviously your blues but also your purples. I feel like there's a little bit more variation in this one. Like, there's still like purpley blues. No, yeah. There's still like bluey purples. But like they still fall in the blue scheme. But yeah, I just feel like there's a little bit more variation, especially because we have the lighter shades and then our darker shades, so you can kind of get a bit more like dimension and depth. But yeah, love this palette. I think it was stunning. So let me know what you think of this look in the comments. And also, I really want to know what palette was your favorite. So let me know down below, of all the palettes that I've tried out, which one was your favorite. I can't believe that we are through all of them now. But yeah, I really like these 10 pans. I think they're beautiful. As I said, the purple is the tiniest bit patchy. You can't tell now. I'm just looking at it, and like, you can't tell now that, you know, it's all done. But just something to keep in mind. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!